Enhancing LMS security, how to limit active logins for Tutor LMS setup. Hello and welcome. Setting up a secure and efficient e-learning platform is vital for every learning management system (LMS) administrator. If you're managing a Tutor LMS-powered platform, safeguarding account security and ensuring fair usage should be top priorities. One pressing challenge is account sharing, which can compromise your platform's integrity, lead to revenue losses, and create management issues. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of addressing this problem by limiting active logins using the best WordPress plugins. Let's explore how these solutions help you optimize account management, elevate security standards, and support a seamless LMS setup. Limiting active logins offers numerous benefits crucial to both platform performance and user experience. Here's why it matters. Prevents account sharing. By restricting simultaneous logins, you protect the integrity of your platform and ensure that every account is used as intended. Enhances security. Reducing unauthorized access minimizes the risk of data breaches and improves compliance with security standards. Improves server performance. Managing sessions efficiently reduces excess load on your servers, enabling smoother operation. Perfect for Tutor LMS, Loggedin allows admins to restrict the number of simultaneous logins per account. When the allowed limit is exceeded, older sessions are automatically terminated. You can even force logout users from the admin dashboard for full control. This plugin ensures a single account login policy, maintaining fairness and security across your system. Ideal for manual session management, WPForce Logout enables you to selectively log out users with just one click. Fully compatible with all WordPress roles, including Tutor LMS instructors and students, this plugin is an excellent choice for handling specific misuse cases quickly. Inactive Logout strengthens security by automatically logging users out after a set period of inactivity. It also alerts users with a warning notification, ensuring they remain aware of their session activity. This feature is especially useful for avoiding idle accounts cluttering your platform. A premium plugin with advanced functionality, WordPress combines membership management with session control. It limits the number of simultaneous logins per account and provides detailed session reports, helping LMS admins oversee user activity comprehensively. Focused on security, this lightweight plugin prevents brute force attacks by restricting login attempts. While its primary function is security-focused, it's a simple yet effective addition to your session management toolkit. Incorporating these plugins into your LMS setup can significantly improve your platform's security, prevent misuse, and promote a better user experience. Each solution has a unique purpose, and together, they can transform how you manage users. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in WordPress and LMS setup strategies.